My first 100 videos plus a free giveaway of YouTube secrets. If you want to know how, keep watching to be entered. So, what have I learned in my first 100 videos? Well, a little bit of editing, a little bit of script writing, thumbnails, keyword research, writing descriptions, affiliate marketing, linking. Through this process, I also learned how to build a basic funnel, which you can check out down in the description below. And it's been a journey just to 100. This is so small on the grand scheme of things, but I'd say the first year I barely did anything, and I picked up the pace in the second year, publishing more videos. It definitely helped grow my skills, and just with publishing, you definitely got to keep publishing. I tapered off recently this year. We had some family issues, some tragedies, and it took a lot of my focus away and a lot of the energy I needed to put toward building a channel and an online business. It definitely, sucked a lot of the life out of me for a while. So we're recuperating as a family, and gonna do more work in 2020 to put out more content for you. One of the biggest things that happened, I think, last year was we actually got to be part of a kind of a commercial or promotional video from doing all those Waze videos that I did. And a lot of you came here from the Waze videos. It actually, if I can find it, I'll link to it, and there's a couple small clips. It was very interesting. Maybe I'll put some B-roll in. We had like a drone come out and a bunch of camera stuff. I had a camera mounted to my car. It was an interesting experience to go through the actual film production, to see how much work went into just like this small handful of amount of clips. That was definitely well worth it, just to film myself just like this, and it wound up spawning this whole new thing where I got to do this whole production and get all this awesome experience with a great group of guys. It's a good time. I wouldn't change any of it. Definitely want to do more of that. And then also all the people that I've met along the way, other YouTubers, and other marketers. It's very interesting. I recommend it to anyone if you're thinking about building your own channel. That's great. I'm rambling. How do you get this? Okay. This is my copy of YouTube Secrets. It teaches you, it's the ultimate guide to growing your following and making money as a video influencer, by Sean Cannell and Benji Travitt. They have a couple of channels. I'll link to them in the description below. Great book, great information. It's my copy. I'm gonna give it away for free. All you gotta do is be a subscriber, like and comment, and share this on your social media. I think when I get up to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna give this away, and it's free. If you don't wanna wait, I will leave a link, an affiliate link down below to pick up your own copy. If you don't wanna wait till then, that's up to you. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission, but it helps grow the channel. If you wanna do it for free, like I said, like, comment, be a subscriber, and share this video out, and you'll be entered to win this. And I'd like to support you or your channel. All you gotta do is leave a comment. I always click on the icon to check out your channel anyway, so you don't need to do any of those, keywords about subscriptions and soliciting. Don't do any of that. Just leave a comment. I'm gonna click on your icon, check out your channel regardless, all right? And if you wanna jump into one of my playlists, I'll leave one on the screen right now. You can click on that, check out some of my other content, and tune in to the next video. Thanks.